Are you worried about the attestation process in Tamil Nadu? Get outstanding knowledge about obtaining the attestation certificate in Tamil Nadu. Going overseas for work or education or achieving your international commercial goals can be complicated because there is a process of getting the attestation of the documents before you are allowed to go. It becomes more complicated since every country you want to visit has different verification requirements and policies. First, it is crucial to understand the country's requirement where you seek to use, and accordingly, the document attestation process begins. It is obvious to get stressed with so many questions, and only professional help can save you from all these complications. But worry no more. Excellent Apostille Services is available in Tamil Nadu to help you.
Excellent Apostille Services provide you with the complete guide of document attestation procedure in Tamil Nadu, regarding what is the document attestation? Why is the document attestation required? What is the process for attestation in Tamil Nadu? How long does the attestation procedure take time? What documents are needed to obtain an attestation? How much is the expense for the document attestation? What is the document attestation?
The stamp from the respective embassy or the MEA is a type of legal procedure that will execute with the evidence of verifying the document. This evidence is a unique and special stamp, called an attestation for the document.
Why is the document attestation required?
The attestation stamp proves that your certificate is valid, which can be permitted overseas. It proves that you are a genuine person or company who is visiting an overseas or doing business there with real purpose.
How long does the attestation procedure take time?
The certificate attestation process is a multi-step process. The certificate must pass through some compulsory primary legalization process from the various authorized departments to reach the final consular stamp. So it takes 7 to 8 working days, and the time depends upon the type of documents, although there are several ways to finish the process on a fast track. Contact to Excellent Apostille Services.
How much is the expense for the document attestation?
Document attestation cost depends on embassy fees which fluctuate, so there is too variation in expense. So it is tough to quote because charges change from time to time. So contact us for the current cost.
Also, it's important to know what exact documents are required for the process. The consular stamp can be printed exclusively on the original documents. The documents should be in an apparent better position, and all signs and stamps have to be readable and clear. Moreover, it must not contain unusual marking. And as a supporting document, a passport copy required of the applicant. The document attestation procedure in Tamil Nadu. Step 1. Submission to the EAS office. The Excellent Apostille Services is a private professional and non-government agency collecting documents from all over Tamil Nadu and submitting them to the MEA and respective embassy for attestation. The document submission to EAS is the beginning step of the attestation procedure in Tamil Nadu. Step 2. Home Ministry. The Home Department legalizes the documents. It is a part of the attestation procedure. Step 3. MEA, the Ministry of External Affairs, is the central government. Also known as the Foreign Ministry, it is the government agency responsible for India's foreign relations. This ministry comes under the Government of India and is responsible for India's representation in the United Nations. So, the Ministry of External Affairs must legalize documents before embassy attestation. Step 4. Embassy. The consular of the respective embassy can finally attest to the documents. An embassy is a diplomatic mission usually located in another country's capital city or economic capital city, which gives consular services.
Since this process involves your original documents, there is always a concern about document security and handling. So, it is beneficial to get certificates attested from experts. Excellent apostille services guarantees the highest reliability and quality, and provide end-to-end services of attestation or translation. Let us explain to you why we are the best for the attestation process. Our pan-India reach will provide you with personalized and quick services, free pickup and delivery service across the India. We have 24/7 customer support, guaranteed safety and security of your valuable documents. All in one, hassle-free document verification and attestation service is just a phone call away. Once we know the country name where you are required to use the attested documents, we can take care of everything needed after that. And you can spend your valuable time planning your travel and make the best out of it. For many years, our service in this industry and transparency in work makes us the first choice of our customer. Contact today to get the door-to-door services for your complete legalization needs in Tamil Nadu.